Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Technosankalp Solutions. Today we are going to make a simple and useful project called LDR-based Light Detection System using Arduino. In this project, an LED and a buzzer will turn on automatically when the light intensity changes. You can see the buzzer and LED turns on when the light detects. So components required for this activity are breadboard, one Arduino Uno board, one LDR sensor, a buzzer and a LED used as an indicator. Now let's see the connection. First we will take this LDR, put it on a breadboard. Take some jumper wires. Connect D0 pin to the pin number 2 of Arduino. Connect ground pin to the ground of Arduino. And connect VCC pin to the 5V of Arduino. Then take LED. Connect positive pin to the pin number 3 of Arduino and negative pin to the ground of Arduino. Then take a buzzer. Connect the positive pin to the pin number 4 of Arduino and negative pin to the ground of Arduino. So our connections are ready. Now let's upload the code. Now connect the Uno cable to the Arduino and another one is connected to the laptop. After uploading the code, the Arduino continuously reads the digital value from the LDR. When there is a darkness, the resistance of LDR increases, the sensor value changes and the Arduino turns on the LED and buzzer. When there is a light, the LED and buzzer automatically turns off. So this is the system works as a darkness detector and alert system. Now let's test the project. When I cover LDR, the light glows and the buzzer starts beeping. When light falls on LDR again, both turns off. This is how we can make LDR-based light detection system using Arduino. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.